you know, when the straighteners went off. Hey guys, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I've wanted to do this for some time, and my friends will know that I've wanted to do this, but I've just been putting it off for some time because I was worried about what other people would think. But I've built up the courage and I've decided to just do it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create 6 different hair tutorial looks for short to medium length hair. I wouldn't say my hair's long, so I'm just going to say it's medium length. But I don't suppose, well, I don't think it matters what length your hair is to do these tutorials. So if you guys want to see how I create 6 different hair looks, then continue watching. So first hair tutorial, get yourself a comb and separate your parting like so. Next you want to put your hair up in a messy bun, doesn't really matter, with a bobble or a grip. And you want to leave half your head down so you can start to curl. Now what you want to do is you want to curl away from the face, and once you've let go of the curl you need to hold for around 5 seconds just to get that curl effect. Now we have all of the hair curled. I like to leave 2 pieces of hair by the side of my face. Now starting from the top of your ear, you want to create 2 pony looks either side of your head. So now I found my bubble, I'm just going to create a pony. I don't really like the neat look, but it's entirely up to you. If you were to have yours neat, then I suggest using hairspray, but I'm just going to start pulling strands out just to make it a bit more messy. I wouldn't normally use a thick bubble. I'd use like a clear band elastic or a thin bubble, but I didn't have that, and I'm not going to go to the shop for bubbles because that's not really essential. People will be judging me. So just make do with what I've got, and then you're going to do the exact same on the other side. So now you want to back comb your hair, only a little bit though, because you don't want it to get too knotted. Once you've done that, all you want to do is get a bit of your hair from in the pony and wrap it around your bubble. I do this because I don't really like the fact that you can see the bubble, so I do this with pretty much every hairstyle to try and hide the bubble, apart from French plaits because that's obviously impossible. But once you've done that, secure it with a hair grip and spray some hairspray. So moving on to look 2, what you want to do is the hair that's in the pony, back comb. Not a lot, obviously, because you don't want it to be knotted. And once you have done that, you want to start wrapping your hair around in a bun and use as much grips to keep into place and as much hairspray as needed. Now you want to do the exact same on the other side, and this will give you the space bun look.
very unprofessional, just having some technical difficulties, don't mind me.
So now to create the next look, what you want to do is separate your hair by the top of your ear. You can go to like the arch of your eyebrow. That gives you a bit of a different look though, because it leaves more hair out by the side of your face. But yeah, just securing with a bubble. And once done, you want to take a bit of hair from the pony and wrap it around the bubble. Oh my god, at this point my arms are killing, my head hurts, so I was just glad to give my hair a rub. And moving on to the 2 French braid look, what you want to do is separate the hair like so. If you like to have the separation to be neat at the back, then I suggest getting someone else to help you do that, so you're guaranteed it's neat. But I've been trying to explain for about 40 minutes how to do this look, and I just can't get around it, and I'm getting tongue-tied and all sorts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave my hairdresser's name in the description, because she's just created an IGTV on how to do this look. So if you guys want to check it out and go show some support, her name's Louise Dolly Birds. I mean, she's absolutely amazing, so why not? Literally at this moment in time, I thought, for God's sake, I've got to do the exact same on the other side and my arms are about to collapse. But if it turns out messier and not right, then this is why. So the next look, which is style 5, and that is 2 French braids with 2 low buns. And what you want to do is place the bubble where I am just now and back comb the pony. And once done, you want to start putting that in the low bun, trying to cover the bubble. You might need a few grips for this because it doesn't always stay in place to start with, but use hairspray for this look also. This look is pretty easy if you know how to do French braids, but if you watch the tutorial I was talking about, then you should be a pro in no time. So personally for me, I've saved the best look till last, and as you can see, I'm just separating the hair like so, just so I can make sure I don't miss any hair out while I'm curling. Now you're going to need a thin curling one for this. I got mine from Superdrug, but I'll leave all product information down in the description below. So you want to hold it in your hair for around 5 to 6 seconds. I don't like to leave it too long because I don't want to get too much damage to my hair. Okay, so finally we have the finished look. Jokes. So once you've done that, all you want to do is get your tangle teaser and start to brush through the curls very lightly, making sure you don't actually brush them all out. And once you're happy with that, you want to make sure you leave a few bits down by the side of your face, like so, and also down by your ear. Now, you don't have to do this, but I don't like the bold look, if you know what I mean. So you want to just leave a few bits out so then you can curl at the end once you've done your hair in a high bun. And once you're happy with how the bun looks, then you want to just go in with the thin wand and just curl the bits that are left out. Okay guys, so we have now come to the end of my hair tutorial YouTube video. I hope you guys have liked it. It did take a while to record. My battery died a few times. Remember, I am not a hairdresser. This is just my everyday go-to sort of vibe in terms of hair looks. Obviously, I will be posting more videos, but if you guys want to let me know what you would like to see, then I'll work around that. Please like, subscribe, share to friends. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for watching.